Now we'll learn about the plastids. These plastids are also organisms present only in plant cell. Only in plant cell. They are not present in animal cells. Now there are three types and the pictures are here. The first is called the leukoplast. These are the leukoplast. Then we have the chromoplast, which are called the colored plastids. Chromoplast. And the last one are the chloroplast, which you are very familiar with. Let's go to the leukoplast. This leukoplast are the colorless plastids. They have no color. They are called the colorless plastids. And the main function of this leukoplast is they store certain materials like starch, oils, proteins. They are stored in the chromoplast, in the leukoplast. Now the chromoplast, they give color to the fruits and the flowers. We see fruits and flowers of such different colors. This is all because of the plastid's chromoplast. The different colors in the flowers especially is because of chromoplast. And the last is a chlorophyll, or the chloroplast, which have a pigment called the chlorophyll. And we all know the function of chlorophyll. It helps in photosynthesis to capture the light, capture the energy required for photosynthesis. Now for the structure of the chloroplast. Here the chloroplast has got many membranes which are stacked one over the other. Here like this, we can see them stacked one over the other, these membranes. These stacks of membranes are called the grana. And this entire grana, or these stacks of membranes, are present in the stroma. Here, this entire stroma. Within the stroma are these stacks of membrane. So if I were to draw this again, here you'll have the chloroplast and you'll have these stacks like this present in the stroma. Important feature is, just like the mitochondria, these chloroplasts have their own DNA and proteins, just like the mitochondria. But the plastids, these chloroplasts, are present only in the plant cell. And they also have their own ribosomes. Point to be noted is, this chloroplasts don't only have the yellow, the green. This is the green pigment, right? Chlorophyll is a green pigment. They also have the orange and the yellow pigments. So they have the orange and the yellow. Both these pigments also present in the chloroplast, but they are not visible since the green is a darker color and hides it out. So orange, yellow pigments also present in the chloroplast, and these chloroplasts are called the kitchen of the cells. These are called the kitchen of the cell, and you would have guessed why it is called the kitchen, because it prepares the food in the process of photosynthesis. So to summarize, we have the leukoplast first, which are the colorless plastids, and they store starch, oil and proteins. Then we have the chromoplast that gives us these beautiful colors to flowers, fruits, are all because of this chromoplast. And then the last are the kitchens of the cell, which is the chloroplast. It has chlorophyll and hence perform photosynthesis. And because it prepares photosynthesis, it is called the kitchen of the cell.